Hello, today I'm in Ford Kuga. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Simply press this button to activate cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and press set minus button to start cruise control. Now you can increase the speed by pressing set plus button, decrease it by pressing set minus button, pause it by pressing cancel, and restart it by pressing reset button. If you want to reset it from the first desired speed, press set plus button. And to disable cruise control, again press this button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.